In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple groups or subsets and filter within each group using Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned Tableau user or a newcomer eager to learn, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively, ensuring you can accomplish your task with ease. To start off, open the Tableau public app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can do so from Tableau's official website. Once you have the app open, access your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens, so ensure you have your data ready. Now, our first technical step is to create a parameter. This will allow us to define groups for our analysis. In the parameter settings, you'll want to set the data type to string. Then select List and add two values, Group A and Group B. These will represent the subsets you want to analyze separately. Once you've added these groups, click OK to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Analysis menu and click on Create Calculated Field. Name your new field and type in the query that corresponds to your needs. After you've input your query, click OK. We'll repeat this process a couple of times. Create another calculated field, name it appropriately, add your query, and click OK again. Now, do this one more time for added complexity or detail in your analysis setup. After creating these fields, go back to your parameter menu and select Show Parameter. This will allow you to visually work with the parameters you've just set, creating an intuitive control for your grouped data. With parameters in place and your fields ready, it's time to bring your data into the visualization workspace. Start by dragging customer name to the rows shelf. This step will organize your data in a way that lets you visualize customer-related insights effectively. Next, drag one of the calculated fields to the filters shelf and choose the Keep option when prompted. This will filter your data based on the calculations and queries you set earlier. Then drag customer name once again, this time to the filters, choose Select All, and click OK to apply this filter. To refine the filter's interaction, click on the drop-down menu next to customer name and select Show Filter. This step ensures that your filter is easy to manage and visually accessible in your Tableau interface. Dive deeper by going to the filter legend, clicking on the drop-down, and selecting Multiple Values drop-down. Doing so provides a flexible filtering option suitable for intricate data sets. Finally, fine-tune your filter by clicking once more and selecting only relevant values. This restricts the drop-down to values that are pertinent to the selected group. Conclude your setup by dragging Profit to the column Shelf, which will help you analyze your groups in terms of profitability. And there you have it. You've successfully created multiple groups and filtered within each one. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now empowered to explore your data in more meaningful ways. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.